Good morning, children. Welcome to today's English class. Today we will learn a rainy day question and answers. So kindly turn to page number 27. Answer these questions. First question: where is Amol coming back from? You have answered in the first sentence that Amol is coming back from school. So this is the answer for your first question. Second one, where does Amol stand when it begins to rain? The answer for second question is Amol stands under a tree. Third question, who comes and stands near him? From these sentences, we come to know that a small pup comes and stands near Amol. A little pup comes running. The pup is brown and cute. The cute pup stops near Amol. Next question. Who gets wet first? You have to write 1, 2, and 3. You have the answer here. The tree gets first. So put number 1 next to the tree. Amol gets wet. So 2 before Amol. The little pup gets wet too. So number 3 for the little pup. So this is how you have to write. Next one, tick the correct words. There are black clouds in the sky. Who sees the black clouds, Amol or the pup? So they have given two options. You have to put tick in the right option. So let's see. Amol is coming back from school. He is walking fast. There are black clouds in the sky. He is feeling scared. So here they talk about only Amol. So Amol sees the black clouds first. Okay. So you have to put a tick next to Amol. Number 2, how did he feel? We saw the answer for that too. Happy or scared? He was scared or afraid. So you have to put tick next to scared. Scared means baya. Let's do exercise D. Look at the pictures. What kind of day is it? Type the correct words. So they have given the answers for you. That is windy, cloudy, rainy, and sunny. So from the pictures, we have to select the correct answer and write in the given blank. First one, you can see a boy playing and you can see the sun. So the day is sunny. So the spelling is Sunny, sunny. Next one, you can see the flow of wind. So it is windy. Third one, you see dark clouds. So that day is cloudy. Fourth one, the boy is having an umbrella and it is raining. So the day is rainy. So this is how you're supposed to write the answers. Let's go for next page. Use the letters in the box to complete the words. First one, it's done for you. RAIN is rain. So let's go for the second one. SH, and you have three dashes. So you have to go for three letter options. SHOLL, ILL, AIN, ELL. Yes, it is SHELL, that is shell. And these are the images for shell. Okay. Third one is CO, and you have two dashes. So you have to go for two letter options, that is AR and AT. COAT, coat. And this is the image for coat. Fourth one, D, and you have three letters. So let's go for three letter words. DOLL, DILL, DAIN, and ELL is over. So the answer is DOLL, doll. Fifth one, BE and two dashes. Let's go for two-letter word. Only one is left, that is AR. BEAR, bear. And these are the images for a bear. Sixth one, the last one left is PILL, pill. Pill is nothing but a tablet the doctor gives you. Even PAIN is possible, but we have written AIN for rain. So the only option left is PILL, pill. These are images for pills. Let's go for next exercise, punctuation. So we have done plenty of exercises for this. The starting letter should be in caps. The ending you should keep a full stop. Okay, let's read the heading. Write these sentences in your notebook. Begin with capital letters and end it with full stops. Okay, so I think you can do it by yourself and try to write the sentence here itself. Okay, third one you can write here and fourth one you can manage to write here in the book. After that is over, turn to page number 27, exercise C. Add ing to these words and write them on the blanks. First one, WALK. Walk is an action. You add ing and you write walking. Rain is an action. You add ing and you make it raining. Eat, ing, eating. Stand with ing becomes standing. Help with ing, helping. Play with ing becomes playing. Here, adding ing shows that the action is happening right now. Now, turn to page number 28 and take exercise H. We learn to write words that is happening right now by adding ing. Now we will learn to write words that has happened already. Let's read the heading. Change the today words into yesterday words by adding ed. You just add ed at the end of the verb. Okay. First one, rain, rain. You add an ed and it becomes rained. Next, start. You add ed, it becomes started. Climbed, climbed. The action is over. Filled, filled. Walked, walked. Talked, talked. For the actions happening right now, you just add an ing. For the actions happened or it's over, you just add an END. It's so easy, children. Now turn to page number 29. Exercise K. How does Amol get ready for school? Number the sentences correctly. We have done similar exercise earlier, that is sequencing. You have to put numbers in the order. First one, Amol gets up at 6 o'clock. It's the same thing what you do at home. So think and do the exercise. After getting up, what do you do, children? He has milk and a dosa. He goes to school. He wears his uniform. He brushes his teeth and has a bath. So, after getting up, you brush your teeth. So, this is number 2. Okay. Next. So, after that, he wears his uniform. So, after wearing your uniform, you go and have your breakfast. That is, he has milk and a dosa. So, this is number 4. So, after having your breakfast, he goes to school. This is number 5. You can do it by yourself and you can even do the coloring of this picture in page number 29. Okay, that's all for today. So complete the exercises in page 27 and 28 and 29 also.